name is Maria Felicorbolan. I'm doing robotics engineering. We're in the process of building Micromouse. At the moment, we're on the software design stage. We're designing the actual interfaces, mechanical as well as physical and electrical interfaces. We've done it pretty much the whole year, so at the moment we're on the sensors and things like that. And it's a Micromouse. They build the actual walls, and then we put the development board that we're going to do on a body set. And that body set would act as a kind of a real mouse. The sensors will detect the walls, and it will move through. And depending on how you want to do it, it can move. It can follow the left wall, the right wall, or it would just walk without having to touch the walls.
Well, my name is Luc Roland. I'm a research fellow. So mainly what I do is I do research into the industrial environments. We're trying to develop new technologies like intelligent robotics. This course is going to be investigating what is a robot. What we have now is this, especially this new lab has been raised with the PACA funding. With the money they have given us, we have bought these camera systems that you see around you, and we have bought these two robots. We will teach them how to analyze, simulate, build a robot from scratch.
At the moment, we are the largest professional body in Europe for engineers and technologists, and we're also the second largest in the world. If you're in engineering or technology, then we hope at least you would consider the IET to be your professional organisation in much the same way. The all-important question then, how much does all of this cost if you want to be a member of the IET? Well, there's the answer there. £12 a year. The news today is that it's even better for you guys because the university will be covering your membership costs.
I'm David Williams.
I'm Matthew Dickinson.
The course that we're doing is electronic engineering. In my course there's some practical work, there's some maths, some theory, and mainly electronics.
Mine's very similar to Dave's. It covers very much the same topics and so forth, but there's a few variations in between the course.
In the second year, it involves most of the first year work. So everything you do in the first year is all incorporated into the second year. On the course, there's a lot of facilities. There's the oscilloscopes all everywhere, which you really need quite a lot. There's other, like, what's called logic gate boards. So it's got all the stuff that you'll need for your digital work. You've got all the technical equipment. Although there's probably only one or two of them, that's all you really need. There's a lot of computers, and there's some specialist computers for the electronic engineers and the other robotics and related courses. And that's got all the specialist software that you need on them.
A good fact is, if you get involved with a project and you speak to a lecturer and say I'm involved in a project, and you speak to them about developing a board to solder onto, if you speak to them about it, you can have it printed in the stores, and they'll help you get all of the components so you can build whatever project you want to get involved with, which is a really good factor about the university.